Agnès Sorel, 1422, February 9th, 1450. Agnès Sorel, or Agnès Sorel, Dame de Beauté, beloved of the French King Charles de Series2, born into a noble family in the village of Fromanteau in Touraine, was the maid of honor of Isabella of Lorraine, Duchess of Anjou, in 1431. Leonardo da Vinci, April 15, 1452, May 2nd, 1519. Leonardo di Ser Piero da Vinci was an Italian artist and scientist, inventor, writer, musician, one of the greatest representatives of the High Renaissance art. Martin Frobisher, 1539, November 22nd, 1594. Sir Martin Frobisher was an English privateer and navigator who made 3 expeditions to the shores of North America. Caterina Sforza, 1463, May 28, 1509. Caterina Sforza, Countess of Forlì, illegitimate daughter of Galeazzo Maria Sforza, one of the last representatives of the famous dynasty, nicknamed Lioness of Romagna and Tigress of Forlì, one of those who resisted the Borgia expansion. Veronica Franco, March 25, 1546, 1591. Veronica Franco was a Venetian poetess and courtesan of the Renaissance, who composed sonnets and was a member of the elite literary salon. Her patrons were the most powerful and wealthy men of Venice. Charles d'Arenberg, February 22, 1550, January 18, 1616. Charles d'Arenberg, Count and Prince of d'Arenberg, and of the Holy Roman Empire, was a military and statesman and diplomat of the Spanish Netherlands. John Hawkins, 1532, November 12, 1595. Sir John Hawkins, English sailor, shipbuilder, admiral, talented organizer, merchant, slave trader, pirate, for bravery in the battle with the invincible Armada, granted a knighthood. Anne Boleyn, 1507, May 19, 1536. Anne Boleyn was the second wife of King Henry VIII, Tudor of England, before her marriage the Marquis of Pembroke in her own right. Mother of the second reigning Queen of England, Elizabeth I of England. Francis I, September 12, 1494. March 31, 1547. Francis I, King of France from January 1, 1515, son of Count Charles of Angoulême, cousin of King Louis XII and Louise of Savoy. Jane Seymour, 1508, October 24, 1537. Jane Seymour was the third wife of King Henry VIII, Tudor of England, and mother of King Edward VI. Don Juan. Don Juan is one of the eternal images of New Age literature, an insatiable seducer of women, originally from Spain. Margaret Roper, 1500-1544. Margaret Roper was the daughter of Thomas More, a writer and translator,